Look what we got in the mail.
What is it?
I think it is.
I don't know.
Alright, let's take a look inside. It's a mini electric chainsaw.
Who's it from?
So this is SMARTSAKER. Since my chainsaw got stuck in the tree, they were nice enough to send us this to give it a try. It's a
Awesome.
4-inch electronic chainsaw. 4-inch portable cordless electronic chainsaw.
All right.
Open it up here. Manual. You know, we don't need a manual. Battery.
Portable charger.
And off charger.
Oh, that's good.
And a tool for opening this. And a screwdriver. And some oil for the chain. That is mini. So
It's perfect for me. How cute.
measuring device. I don't know.
The size
This is
of your
4 inches.
hand.
Well, my hand is. Okay, let's try yours.
Oh, let me try my right hand. Ah, it's perfect for ladies. Look at that.
Charger.
Battery, charger.
Protection guard.
Has a protection guard in there. It's lightweight. It looks pretty strong.
We're gonna test this against my 24-inch chainsaw.
Charge up the battery. It's fully charged already. Oh!
So this is a safety. So there's some warnings, notes. Do not cut wood which is more than 4 inches. Do not overpress the machine cutting wood. When not in use, please fully charge it and store it. Oh.
I like that.
So yeah. So this is the power cord. It looks like to charge it, you just kind of plug it in here, and then just plug it into the wall.
For sending us this mini electric chainsaw.
Thanks to SMARTSAKER for sending us this mini electronic chainsaw. We'll give it a test and let you know what we think. We're gonna try to cut this log with this 4-inch chainsaw and see how long it's gonna take us. Okay, we got the battery charged, and now we're gonna come out here to test. First, we got a little oil on the chain. Lift this up. Oil. Just flip it over. Alright. I don't know if this thing is made for your hand or just for storage. Ooh. Bigger for bigger guys. That in. Let's go. Go try to cut a tree. Do your safety gear first. Not bad. Let's try this bigger one.
Wow.
One's already dead. But we'll cut it anyway.
Wow.
It's about 3 inches.
3 inches?
Yeah. Using my eye measure.
Your eye measure.
Not an apple pie. Hey. Let's see what else.
I'll put that little branch above your head. Yeah. Okay, it's my turn. Boom.
Cut these things too.
Let me cut this one. I always wanted to get that one out. There's little ones too. Okay. Great. Make here that you have.
Let's see what doesn't belong. So this doesn't belong.
Is this a guava tree?
Yeah, this is the guava. This is not the guava. Though it does have that. What else should we go cut? This is a sunflower. I can pull it out, but I'm gonna try this with a chainsaw on it. Just like that. There you go, flowers for you.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see how pretty they are. Wow, look at those Mexican sunflowers. Look how gorgeous they are.
Okay, let's give this its biggest challenge. And try to make a few cuts on this and see how fast we can get through it. So, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad, dude. Cut a bamboo.
Sure.
I'm gonna sacrifice one of my bamboo trees, or bamboo shoots, or bamboo stock, whatever you call it. So let's see how it does on the bamboo.
Oh, here it goes. There you go. Cuts through bamboos. We tried a 2x4. We did a few 3-inch logs, branches.
Or should we give up?
Oh my gosh.
How about a loquat tree?
No, we still want a loquat tree. How about this guy right here?
No, that's a marigold.
That's a marigold tree. Okay. This is a Mexican sunflower tree.
Great for tree pruning, so we're gonna cut a few pieces off of this trunk here. It's about 3 inches.
Yeah, let's match this one to that one. Go for it.
Going in. thanks to Saker for sending it to me. They sent it to me for free. I didn't pay for it. They didn't ask me to say anything. They just said to review it. So I've been cutting a lot of stuff. It's pretty good. I mean, anything under 4 inches, I think it'll cut pretty well. For the money, I think it's a great deal. So, but it's powerful. Battery lasts a long time. It'll cut down anything probably 4 inches or smaller. Give it a try. You'll like it.
I love it. Not only that, it's great for us ladies because it's small, handy, light, and you can get through all your pruning really fast.
So I'll post a link in the description. So check it out.